Okay, you trader nerds, welcome in. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. Welcome in. I am Sweet Bobby. I will be your host. And look at the linear regression. We are up a little bit. So look at this though. We've had a couple big moves, but everything's just kind of been, slow and steady up, slow grind up, and volume is going down. What does that mean? I don't know. Maybe we're getting tired. Maybe we're getting exhausted. We shall see. Volume getting a little, just going down a bit. So let's see how our other stuff looks. So let's log into this. There we go. And let's do this and that and this and that. And let's see how our uh everything's going here. Sorry, I got to move a lot of stuff today. Wow, this is crazy, crazy day. Toby Keith's dead. I ain't feeling so good myself. All right, here we go. So this is the Roth IRA. Let's see how our chart's looking today. So we're up 0.15%. That's a nothing burger. We're right back at where we opened today. Look at that, y'all. Right back at where we cashed open. That is incredible. After all this day, after everything, and AD is dead now that the market is closed 15 minutes after the market. So yeah, just nothing to see here. And now, of course, volume is dead now that the market's finished. Well, we got no volume really whatsoever. So let's just see how our account looks today. Let's look at the big green monster first and see if we can gain any wisdom into future market movements. So I'm on a little thing. Where you at? There you go. So nothing really to glean here. We are fairly priced. We do anticipate that we're going to hit this 49, whatever the 37, 40, no, 49, 86, 87 or so at some point. And we do believe that we're going to visit right back down to this pocket. So we could go up, we could go down, but this is generally where we'll be. And probably if we spend much time here, the point of control will move here to here, which will make that a little bit more bullish. So we'll see. But flat to up, we know we're going up, y'all. We're going to hit that 5,000. We went to 49.97. We're going to 5,000 at some point. It just wants to go there. Price will go there. So let's see how our account is doing today. We're going to trade the Roth IRA. So Roth IRA, let's see how we're doing. Our net lick is at 55,480. 55,480. So let's put that in. 55,480. Oh yeah, 480 is moving up there, Rico. Yes, hallelujah. And let's see how our Greeks and ratios are doing today. So we have 25, so say 26, 26. I love these when they're same. And it seems like of late we've had a lot of deltas being the same as theta. So 26, 26. See what that looks like. 26, 26. Now our theta is low, y'all, because you remember we basically added another, what, 30,000 to this, $25,000 to this back on the 16th. So that's kind of cool. Or we did it several days ago anyway. So we've added 25,000. So our position sizing needs to change. So let's see what our position sizing is. And we've got the position sizing spreadsheet that is now a part of the new spreadsheet that will be rolled out to Muscadine Mafia probably in the next few weeks. That will have the position sizing, and then we'll roll it out to everybody. So basically, it's taking our net lick that automatically pulls in. Then you got to figure out the buying power usage per 112 that you put on, and then how much percent do you want to use as far as in your account. We're at 50% usage. So after 15 weeks, we should target B2 times B4. B2 times B4. Oh, that's how much we should get after about 15, 16 weeks. So that means we can use 1.5 trades per week. Isn't that cool? 1.5 trades. So when you're fully booked, y'all, we should have how many trades on? We should have a total of, at the total book, we should have 21 trades on. So now we should have 22 trades on after the week, whatever. So let's see how many we actually got on. We've actually got on 18. So that looks pretty good. So we should add probably a 2 contract today. So let's do that. So we've got our Greeks and ratios. We've got 22, 26. Let's see our buying power usage is. Our buying power usage is 8823. That's not anything. 8823. Wow. That's amazing that we've got that many contracts on and not that many much buying power usage. So we're a little blue here. Everything else is green. So let's put on two contracts today. And we'll go in and put this in and see if we got enough liquidity to trade. So we want to trade the micros. Position sizer says we need to do about two positions. So we'll go to 120 days. We don't have 120 days. So we could either go to 101 or we could go 136, and we're going to go 136. So first of all, we go to our 5% probability being in the money. We call that a 5 delta, right? Any of these. And we're going to go, well, look at those bid-ask spreads there. We don't want to sell nothing for a dime, that's for sure. So let's go to this one right here, 4,300. We're going to do a two tranche, which means that would be four contracts at 23.50. Let's see, that's the net price. Let's see if we can get that. Probably not. Hopefully we got enough. Oh, well, we did. 23.50. Good. So then we go to the put debit spread. So we want to go to about a 25 delta or so. So around in this 4,800, 4,750. And we're going to do two contracts of that and bump that up a little bit. So maybe to 860 and swing better. There we go. Yeah. Now let's go put it in our spreadsheet and see how we're doing today.
You only got a partial fill.
Oh, did I? Oh, it is working. And oh, come on. Don't mess my thing up, y'all. Come on. Jeez. Field orders. Well, let's see. Field. No, we finally got a field, didn't we? We got two orders there. Yeah. So everything's working. Everything's fine. Look at this. We don't like much on some of this order going, so that'll be good. Buying our loans back of our Black Swan hedge. So looks like we got a full field. So we got to go 136 days. We sold four 4,300s at 23.50. 4,300 at 23.50. 4,300 at 23.50. Good. And today is T-bill Tuesday, y'all. T-bill Tuesday for Hal's voice reminded me of that. So we did four of these. So we'll call this the naked put 109. And this puts naked at 136 days. And today is 2/6/24. Beautiful. So then we got to do our put debit spreads. We did two of those. That's two tranches. And we'll call this PDS 109. And what were the strikes on that one? It was 4,800, 4,750. 4,800, 4,750. Put debit spread 136. Yes, baby.
Did you see the peanut?
Yes, I did. My son is a cheater. He cheats on his math test. He got a spanking the other day for it, and then he cheated again. So 860 is where we got filled.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mom's making me do something.
Oh, I know. You still got the spanking though. We do not cheat. We're the Gaines family.
No.
All right, so we brought in 464 premium, spent out $92 in insurance. So that looks really good. Let's see if there's anything that says we've got an auto close date here. And nothing shows an auto close date except these. You need to look at this, y'all. What was 18 days ago? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. 9. Oh, come on. And uh-huh. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we should have closed that on the 19th. So we got to put those in. Closing price would have been 0 and 0 on 119. Let's just clear up our spreadsheet. 1924 and 11924. Let's see if that gets everything that we need on here. And then take those off. So we just want the blanks. There we go. Okay, so nothing says an auto close date. I think I'm going to change the spreadsheet as well to tell me when to slide positions. So let's also do the Sweet Bobby slide. Remember, that's something that we were going to do to reduce notional risk. So let's look and see if we've got anything that we've been in a trade for about 60 days. So indeed, you see this trade has 73 days left, but we are in it for 61 days. So we could close the uh 3800s, 3800s at 73 days left. And we've got four of those. So let's close those four 38. Now, the thing is, you could sit there and say, well, Bobby, what's it going to do? Your theta deltas and all that kind of stuff. So let's make sure we've already recorded our thetas and our deltas. So let's close these 3800s at 73 days. All right, so let's go look at our groups. And we got our naked puts. And we said 3800s at 73 days. There they are. They're 77% profitable. Let's close them. We're going to slide that up. So you can look too and see what your theta and delta is on the position. So they have a delta of 3. And remember this, 349. Everybody remember that? 349. So let's close. Make sure that's the right one. Is it this one or this one? I think it's that one. So let's close these. Create closing order. We're going to buy 4 of those at, try to do 385. Nothing. Jack squat crap. Nothing. Go up to 390 and we should get out. Come on. Come on, little feller. There we go, 390. So let's put those in our spreadsheet. So we close 4 of the 3800s at 390. See if we get some Applebee's money, baby. So we got, let's see, this is 2624. So we made a whopping, look at there, $90.12. How does Daddy do it? No, wait a minute, I thought there was 4 of those. Oh, hold on, I took the wrong ones off. Let me do this. Back out of it. Back out. Back out. We took the ones with 61 days in. Here we are. Wrong one, y'all. And we did 4 of them. Here it is. 390. And we got out of these on 2624. So we made, there we go. That's more like it. $250. Load up the wood-sided station wagon and let's head to Applebee's. Is the 60 days in trade target base opening on 90, 100? It's based at 120. So I'm basically closing it down at half of the amount of time in there. So, that's how I'm doing it. And basically saying, if it's, I've been in it 60 days at 120 days, then it's time to slide it. So now we need to go to that same expiration, which is the same expiration as this one was 73 days. And instead of doing 4, we're going to do 2. So let's do the Sweet Bobby slide at, what did I say, 73 days. Yep. And we go to the 5 delta. 5% probability of being in the money is, now see, here we go. I mean, we could move up to the same one that we've already sold, right? So this should be the put debit spreads, right? We've got put debit spreads here. We got Nickets there. So you could either do that one or you could say, I could do really the 5. Let's just do this one here. No, let's see. Let's do the same ones here. Let's do the 4400s. I want more premium because my account is, and it's okay to sell where you sold, right? It's okay to sell where you sold. So there's put debit spreads right here, 4450, 4400. So now instead of selling 4, we're going to sell 2, and we're going to try for that $12. And we're going to do 2 of those and see if we can get a fill here. And we did. Wow, 4400 at 12. 4,400 at 12. So let's put that in. 4,400 at $12. 4,400 at $12. Now I know what you're thinking. Hey, Bobby, you just moved your things up. Yes, I did. I moved my puts a lot closer to the money. But you got to keep in mind that they are, I took a lot of risk off by taking off the notional exposure. So the one that I closed was the PD or naked put 102. So I'm gonna call this slide. Hey, can y'all be quiet? Daddy's in the session. Jeez. Slide 102. So I know it goes with that same put spread or put debit spread. So we'll call this naked. We went out to 73 days. 2/6/24. Selling premium, baby. That's what we do best. So we closed that one, took our profits and moved it up and got $117 more in profit. Now let's look at our Greeks and ratios and see how it changed everything. So take our groups off and let's compare. So our groups are now our deltas are 38.29. 38.29. Well, I should have done that before I put on that trade, I guess, that last trade. So 38 and 29. Let's look and see what that looks like. Let's see, 38 and 29. Oh, yeah, look at this. 38 and 29. Beautiful. That's what you want to do. You want that theta to keep going up and up and up and up. All right. Good session, y'all. Hope you have a great day. I will see y'all tomorrow.